Changing your device settings. To change device settings, tap on the device icon on the settings page. Select the device you want to change the settings for. You can change the device's profile photo, name, and location. You can also change the firmware upgrade settings. Auto-upgrade the firmware whenever a new version becomes available. Choose the time when you want auto-upgrades to be performed. For smart plugs, you can turn the LED indicator on and off. For smart strips, you can change the name and location of individual plugs. For cameras, you can set motion detection areas. Tap a square on the grid to toggle motion detection in that area. Orange shaded areas have motion detection enabled. Use the slider to adjust motion detection sensitivity. You can set night vision to auto, on or off, and turn privacy mode on and off. You can also select which storage to use for video clip recordings.